Welcome to Truereviews. Today we're diving into Hantec Markets, a broker with a solid global presence. But is it truly a reliable choice, or are there hidden concerns traders should be aware of? Let's find out. Hantec Markets is regulated in multiple jurisdictions, including the FCA, UK, ASIC, Australia, and VFSC, Vanuatu. While FCA and ASIC are known for strict oversight, VFSC is often seen as a more lenient regulator. Does this mean traders get strong protections, or is the Vanuatu license just a way to avoid tighter restrictions? The broker offers MetaTrader 4, MT4, a trusted but somewhat outdated platform, especially with MT5 taking over. While Hantec also provides its Hantec Mobile app, is it truly a game changer or just another rebranded trading tool? Some users love the convenience, while others claim it lacks innovation compared to competitors. Hantec Markets boasts an impressive 4.8 Trustpilot rating with 479 reviews. While many traders praise their service, there are reports of slow withdrawals and occasional technical issues. Are these isolated cases, or is there more beneath the surface? On the Google Play Store, Hantec Mobile scores 4.5 stars with over 1,000 reviews, but some traders complain about lagging execution times and app crashes. On the Apple App Store, the rating is slightly better at 4.6 stars, but again, is this the full picture? Efficient or just for show? Hantec Markets advertises 24/5 support, but some traders report delayed responses and generic replies. In fast-moving markets, can traders afford to wait when they need immediate assistance? Hantec Markets seems like a well-regulated broker with positive reviews, but its reliance on an offshore license and occasional withdrawal concerns raise some red flags. Is this broker as good as it seems, or just another firm with a carefully managed reputation? What do you think? Drop your thoughts below.